Good evening, everyone. I am MJ of Yanong Bisdak.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Ako dahil si Rome of BastaBisaya.com.
And right now is the first episode of our first collaboration. And what we're doing right now is a reaction video of the trending
newest
and trending
commercial.
newest and trending commercial of
Jollibee
Foods Corporation. So let's start.
Let's start!
Okay.
Oh my God, inspired by true story. Wow. Kwentang Jollibee. Oh. Kasi mamasalta na girl. Gwapo? Ka na, gwapa.
Hindi ko makakalimutan ang ngiti mo
Kabas.
nung una kitang nakita. Naalala ko nun, sa Jollibee pa lang.
Batig no.
Sinabi ko na
Type
sa
of
sarili ko,
framing.
Marag si
she's the
Emily.
one.
Type of framing. Green screen. Di mo na lang sinina sa Jollibee good. Uira ha.
May Jollibee, maguning ako.
Spicy chicken joy with extra rice.
Uy, dakog kaon si ate.
And a plain pineapple juice.
Dili ko ganahan pineapple juice.
Di, no. Lami ang pineapple juice mahal. Mahal lang.
Mahal hindi ko ganahan kamahal.
Alam ko na that you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Hindi ka.
Kaya pinapangako ko na I will be the man for you.
Na, tsaka best man guro ni.
Shit. Anong bad kay ka? Ayaw.
Ni happy si kuya ah.
O diba?
Maugat ang
Shoulders.
shoulders.
Lagi. Awa.
Pinapangako ko na pasasalihin
Wala,
kita.
Da. Da.
Bati siya now.
Best friends sila.
Makaon si
I'll be
kuya.
there whenever you need me.
Or ba si mamatay? Ano,
Oh my God.
real girl.
I'll be patient with you at all times.
Da. Ikaw, mag-speech ka.
Uira kay niya yung mga spill ha.
Da.
I promise I will never change.
Change is coming.
Kagtaas niya kuan eh.
Veil.
Pila gina ako
Ah.
dahil sila mo padayon.
Hilak siya dahil.
Gusto ko, ikaw ang pinakamaligaya sa lahat.
Hala, kuto bra siya dira. Lakaw. Wala gi tag-ad ko pa best man.
Ay.
Kahit hindi naging tayo.
Shit. Thank you.
I'll
Best.
always be your best friend.
Always na po ng always.
Oh, La La Land, always.
Para sa mga patuloy nagmahal nang
Walang
walang hinihintay
hinihintay
na kapalit.
Celebrate the joy of love. Jollibee!
Okay, so right now let's talk about the video that we've just seen. So in advertising, one of the techniques in advertising is
Yes.
the appeal to emotions.
What say mong na emotion? Na emotion.
I don't know kung I somehow I don't know. Like for me, I somehow like expected it nga dili gid sila magkadayon.
Abi ka nila kung mamatay ang guy or ang girl. Or
But
something
yeah,
like that.
it's more or less an appeal to emotion. Thanks to Sir Greg for these lessons. And also, mura siya og na I need for kanang murag na siya need nag-compensate siya sa need for nurture sa girl. Like murag ikaw like namagutay ang as humans there are
Ka-technical ba na itong review?
as humans there are certain like things that we want to do and we want to care someone else.
Sige.
So,
So,
mauna siya.
basically, ganang ka sa katong place niya.
okay lang.
Best friend
Nalay,
ka.
now, hindi ko ganahan ma-best friend. Kaya sa akin.
Best friend, bete ka, girl.
Oh, okay ra. Okay ra. But yeah, so, technically, daghan siya mga kuwang-kuwang nga mga, in terms of the
Hoy,
technical
nag-viral na
aspect.
siya, girl. 3 million views, 5 hours. Asa ka mangitaan na.
Thanks to Toot! Ilang ikontrahan ang Toot nga ilang kompetensya.
Isa man, Macdo.
Toot! Makdo! Toot!
Betaw, one of the first time siguro niya
Na Jollibee nga
super viral ang Jollibee kay. It's always been
McDonald's.
McDonald's. So, I think it's a good move.
yeah, it's a good move.
they-
Especially during this time of the month. Or this time of the year rather. Kay, usara ba gid sa, you know,
Valentine's.
when we talk about love, people
Wrap
kay,
up, girl, wrap up.
people kay, you know, ganahan gid sila, like, dumugon gyud basta gugma na ganyang hisgutan. Mga hugot.
O sige, manata. So,
So,
yeah.
More na
So,
siya.
rating ni mo siya. If ma-rate na to siya
1
out
to
of
10.
10,
8.
8. Siguro ako kay mga 8.5.
8 ako.
8.
Naadlan siya marag kuwang.
Ito may kulang, be.
Murag, I don't know, naka-feel lang ko for me personally na lang siya.
Somehow kay medyo-
Na-expect na ko.
Yeah, most of ako isulti. Nag-expect na kung nga inato siya. Pero anyway, that's just it. So, it's a nice commercial. So, watch it.
Watch
Bye.
it.
Thank you for
I
watching.
am MJ of Yanong Bisda.
And this has been Rome of Basta Bisaya.
And this is our first collaboration.